Hi, fifth graders. This is Miss Grant. It's Friday, March 20th, 2020. We are going to review iReady Lesson 12 and 13 that you did on day 1, 2, 3, and 4. These lessons dealt with standard RI5, which is compare and contrast the overall structure of events, ideas, concepts, or information in two or more texts. The text structures that we're going to talk about are chronology, comparison, cause and effect, and problem and solution. Lesson 12 was comparing text structures, chronology, and problem and solution. Our learning target is when you compare and contrast how the information in text is structured, you will better understand the purpose of each text. So we're going to read or listen to some passages that have different text structures. These text structures help authors accomplish specific purposes. The text structures in this particular lesson are chronological text structures. They tell events in the order they happen. This structure can include dates, times, and words such as first, next, and later. The next text structure we're going to examine in this lesson is problem-solution text structure. It describes problems and solutions. This structure can include words such as challenge, problem, and solution. Comparing texts can help you understand their structures and purposes. For this lesson, we're actually going to do a Nearpod activity. I'm just walking you through the instructions of the Nearpod activity here on YouTube. So for our lesson 12 review, you are going to look at a video where we are going to read and listen to two stories, Pigging Out on Plastic and Treasures in the Trash. When you get to the Nearpod, you're going to click on this page that's going to take you to the tutorial video. You're going to work through the activities in the video. Lesson 13 is also comparing text structures, but these text structures are cause and effect and compare and contrast. The learning target for this lesson is the same as the other lesson. When you compare and contrast how the information in text is structured, you will better understand the purpose of each text. The two text structures that are going to be examined in Lesson 13 are cause and effect text structure. The purpose of a cause and effect text structure is to tell about events and explain why they happen. Words and phrases like cause, effect, because, and as a result are sometimes used in a cause and effect structure. The second text structure in Lesson 13 is compare and contrast text structure. The purpose of a compare-contrast text structure is to describe how two or more things are similar and different. A compare-contrast text structure will frequently use words like both, unlike, similarly, and in contrast. Comparing texts can help you see their structures and purposes. Just like with Lesson 12, you are going to actually complete Lesson 13 review in the same Nearpod. In this lesson, you are going to listen to and read Rescuing Orphan Elephants and Elephant Emotions. You are going to click on this page in the Nearpod and it will take you to the actual video. After the video, you're going to take a short quiz which will serve as your exit ticket. Question 1 is, what text structure was the text pigging out in Lesson 12? Question 2, what text structure was the text treasures in the trash in Lesson 12? Question 3, what text structure was the text rescuing orphan elephants in Lesson 13? And question 4, what text structure was the text elephant emotions in Lesson 13? The Nearpod code will be posted in the description box of the YouTube video and on ClassTag and can also be accessed on Microsoft Teams. The quiz must be completed by Sunday, March 22nd, 2020. Thank you, boys and girls.